Life speeds up, so should your understanding of finances. In just 3 minutes, learn essential finance management tips that you can apply in your everyday life. Discover the secret to monetary success for you and your family with our easy-to-understand financial literacy tips. A quick dive into finance management. Today, we're going to accomplish something phenomenal. We're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of finance in just 3 minutes. Now, money matters may not be as captivating as unboxing the latest PlayStation, but trust me, learning how to manage your finances can level up your life faster than you can finish a video game. It's just like completing a quest, but in real life. Here's the secret. Knowing how money works equals sign path to financial freedom. Simple wallet hacks. Ever wondered why some people seem to make their money go further while others struggle? Well, we have got some cool hacks coming your way. We are covering everything from cutting down on your utilities like turning off that gaming PC when you're not leveling up, being savvy when shopping for your tech gear, to smart savings techniques. Remember, even the smallest of savings can lead to a big boss treasure chest over time. Meet your money goals. Let's talk about goals. No, not scoring goals in FIFA or topping leaderboards netting those chicken dinners. We're talking about financial goals. Want to buy that new gaming console? Build a killer gaming PC, or take your family on vacation? We're here to guide you to plan and achieve such money goals. ARK Invest didn't only start investing and trading overnight, did they? So gear up and get ready to emancipate yourself from financial restrictions. The last, and possibly most vital part of this speed run, is getting your mind right. You've heard it in inspiring gaming stories and self-help books alike. Mindset is everything. It's the same with financial success. We'll broach how to have a winning mindset about finances and how controlling your money, instead of letting it control you, can lead to a happier, freer life.